Good morning, everybody. So let's get started with the Aussie. And yesterday we started our move up, but we really just consolidated for most of the day. And it leads me to believe that we are heading down. So this red bar that you see here with this tail, that is the area which we were targeting. Okay, so that's obviously the level we were targeting. There is a bit of interaction with it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We rejected it here. 7. Rejected it there. 8. So this is the 9th week that we're hitting that level. So we're going to drill down now to lower time frames, but I think this move to the upside has been halted. And I also believe that the bearish setup that we have here on Tekinson and Kijinson is going to play out. Before we get there, I just want to get... Okay, so we're still at the 76.4 retracement of this down move. Okay, so let's go to the daily. And you can see how we are held up on the cloud again and at that level. So this is now the second attempt at getting through the cloud. We did close with a green candle, but as I said yesterday, I'm still concerned about the distance we are away from, well, Kijinson and Tekinson are apart, which is not a pretty picture right now. We have broken through price here, but I'd need us through the cloud, and we need to be through cloud as well for it to be any effect. And the other thing that you see here is we currently have diversions, but that takes a while to play out. So from the daily perspective right now, my upper levels are definitely the top of the cloud, which is there, and I will look at that as a level. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3 touches at that level. There's another touch there. It's previous breakout there, and the last long-term level is going to be there. So it'll be this tail and those tails there. Tails to the downside, and I just want to see, we want to tie this up with, so we've got the 100 EMA here and we have a tail there. I think that's kind of the most logical at this stage, and you obviously want to take cognos of this breakout here. Okay, let's head down to the 4-hour. And I want to see how far this is. Yeah, 400 points. Somehow I can't see that happening today. So let's just see what else we have here. So this one, leave that. Change it. So we want to change it to this pin bar here. Okay. And that's kind of where we closed almost. And that one is correct at the top there. Okay. This one here is the long-term one, which is also correct. And okay, so we do have the gap at this level here as well. So I think that's kind of what we're going to be playing for today. It's a 500-point move. So I'm just going to get down to the hour and I'll give you the actual levels that we need to look for. Okay, so a breakdown below this level here is going to give us targets, which will be this tail. Then we're going to hit this level here and then gradually move down to this, closing this gap. Okay. And bearing in mind that there are 2 gaps here. So there's one here and there's one here. And what you're going to have though is you're going to have a little bit of a, yeah, so you can see your first target. Let's just use a blue line here. Your first target is going to be, actually use a block rather. So your first target is going to be in that area. And then at that point, there should be a bit of a bounce, and then we should head down again. So if we head here quickly, then there'll be a bounce up, and then we're going to test this until we break it. If we break this trend line, then next target is this level here. Okay, and if we fail, if we break through this tail here, then the next target is going to be that area there, okay, which will be the bottom of the cloud if you come through. So I think for the next 2 days, this is going to be down, down, down. And the reason I say so is I'll explain it in my Dow video, but you'll see how the Dow failed. Okay, and I just want to put this channel in. So we are in an upward channel now. So if this channel breaks, yeah, you're taking 50% of the channel, which is here, and then you're taking the bottom, the first touch of the channel, which is down at 50,000. So that's the setup that I have for the Aussie. Looking for shorts. We'll see where we open, but essentially I'm looking for shorts in this area here, targeting these tails, and then second target this gap close. Okay, and remember, if this gap closes, we are breaking this trend line. Even if we drop down in the first half hour of trading, we are still breaking this trend line. Okay, so you expect a little bit of a bounce and then a move to the downside. And I would say the cloud is the what's going to hold us up at the end of it. Okay, guys, that's the Aussie. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you guys later.